need to be perfect, you just need to start. Hi everyone, welcome back to our podcast. I'm Jennifer, and I'm really happy to have you here today. Today, we're talking about something super exciting, how to speak English in just 30 days. A lot of people think learning English takes years, but that's not true. With the right plan and motivation, you can start speaking confidently in 1 month.
Hey everyone, I'm Alex. That sounds amazing, Jennifer. I've always wondered how people can learn so fast. What's the secret?
It's simple, Alex. The first rule is to surround yourself with English. Listen to podcasts, songs, or short YouTube videos every single day. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain starts to get used to the sound of English.
That's true. I remember when I started watching English movies with subtitles. At first, I could only understand a few words. But after a week, I started catching full sentences.
Exactly. It's all about daily contact with the language. And the second step is to speak every day. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you see, or tell your plans for tomorrow. Don't wait for perfect grammar, just talk.
I like that. Many people feel shy or afraid of making mistakes. But I guess practice makes progress, right?
Exactly, Alex. Practice makes progress. Every mistake is a sign that you're learning something new. The more you speak, the faster you'll improve.
That's really motivating. So if our listeners practice every day, listen, watch, and speak, they'll really notice a difference in 30 days?
Yes, absolutely. If you do it with passion and consistency, you'll be surprised by your results. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being brave enough to try.
That's beautiful, Jennifer. I think that's the perfect message to end part 1.
Yes, and before we go, friends, if you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our podcast. Your support helps us grow and create more helpful content for you.
So Jennifer, I'm really curious about that 30-day plan you mentioned. How does it actually work?
Great question, Alex. It's easier than most people think. You just need a clear routine. Let me break it down for everyone listening.
All right, I'm ready. What's step 1?
Step 1 is listening. For the first 10 days, focus on listening as much as possible. Play English podcasts, short videos, or songs in the background while you're doing daily things cooking, cleaning, walking. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain is training itself to recognize English rhythm and sounds.
That's interesting. So the goal isn't to translate just to get used to hearing English?
Exactly. Don't translate, just listen and repeat some phrases you like. Step 2 is speaking. From day 11 to 20, start talking more. Describe your day, your plans, or your feelings in English. Talk to yourself in the mirror, record your voice, or use an app or AI to chat. The key is to speak every day, even for 5 minutes.
I love that idea. When I practiced talking to myself, I started feeling more comfortable speaking with others later.
That's exactly how confidence grows. Then step 3 is thinking in English. From day 21 to 30, try to stop translating words from your language. When you see something, say it directly in English like, I'm hungry, or that sky looks beautiful today. This helps your brain switch naturally.
That's powerful. So, by the end of the month, people will not just study English, they'll actually live with it.
Yes, Alex, that's the secret live with English. Make it part of your life. Watch English shows, write small notes in English, and surround yourself with people or content that keeps you inspired.
And what about grammar? Should they study it during the 30 days?
Good point. Don't worry too much about grammar at the beginning. Grammar will come naturally as you listen and speak more. Just focus on communication first. Grammar can be corrected later. The main goal is fluency, not perfection.
I think that's what everyone needs to hear. Stop waiting for perfect English and just start using it.
Exactly. Learning English is like learning to swim. You can't do it by reading about it. You have to jump in the water.
That's such a great example. I hope our listeners take this as a challenge. 30 days. Full commitment and no fear.
Yes, friends. Take this 30-day challenge and watch your English change completely. Be patient, stay positive, and keep going.
We believe in you, and we're proud of every small step you take.
Thank you all for listening to us today. Remember to share this episode with your friends who also want to learn English. Together, we can all grow and speak with confidence.
You've got this, everyone. Keep learning, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Take care, stay motivated, and remember your English voice matters. Bye, everyone.